Yo, what's up, fam? Welcome back to Learn with UI, the channel that makes learning chill and fun. We've got a little bit of everything here, from the latest in tech to life hacks that'll make your day a breeze, and even deep dives into pop culture. So whether you're a tech geek or just curious about the world around you, there's something for everyone. Today, we're diving into the future of AI as your personal assistant. Exciting, right? Imagine this. You wake up and your AI assistant has already brewed your coffee, checked your emails, and planned your day. Welcome to the future, peeps. Right now, most of us are familiar with AI personal assistants like Siri and Alexa. They can play our favorite songs, answer trivia questions, and even tell us a joke or two. But in the future, these AI buddies of ours are set to become even more advanced. Imagine a world where your AI assistant doesn't just react to your commands, but also anticipates your needs. It learns from your habits, understands your preferences, and can make decisions that align with your lifestyle. Need to pick up groceries? Your AI will have already put together a shopping list based on your previous purchases and current pantry stock. Running late for a meeting? It'll automatically reschedule or set up a route that gets you there in the quickest time possible. But it's not just about convenience. Future AI personal assistants could potentially understand human emotions. They might be able to detect when you're feeling down and suggest mood-boosting activities, or sense your stress levels and recommend calming exercises. This level of personalization and understanding could revolutionize our daily lives, making them smoother, more efficient, and even more enjoyable. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But believe it or not, that future is closer than you think. So how will AI personal assistants impact you? Let's get real. Imagine a world where you're not scrambling to manage your tasks, but instead you have a little helper doing it for you. That's the efficiency AI personal assistants promise. They're about to take multitasking to a whole new level, making our lives easier and more efficient. But hey, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. With these digital buddies comes a set of concerns. We're talking about privacy and dependency. Will they know too much about us? Will we become too reliant on them? These are questions we need to grapple with. So ready or not, AI personal assistants are about to become a big part of our lives. That's all we've got on AI personal assistants for now, fam. Your engagement fuels this channel, so don't be shy. Like, share, and subscribe. Got an opinion on AI personal assistants? Share it in the comments. So, what do you think about the future of AI personal assistants? Drop a comment below and don't forget to smash that like button, share, and subscribe to Learn with UA. Stay curious, stay awesome.